right here.
What are you gonna do with it? Are you gonna put the puzzle together? What? Let me put it back in the box. You think they're broke?
Yeah.
You gotta put them on the table and put them together and they won't be broke.
Right here. Hey,
What do you want me to do with it? What? You want to fish some more? Get you a little fishing rod out of there. You want me to get it?
That one.
The red one or the yellow one?
That
It bit you. Uh-oh. Which one do you want? Want the red one or the yellow one? You just gonna catch them with your fingers.
Yeah. Oh, you got a fish!
You got a fish.
Yeah.
He didn't bite you, did he?
Yeah.
He did.
Yeah.
Tell him to say bad fish. You can go over and put the puzzle together?